In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Mailchimp sign-up process by redirecting new subscribers to a personalized thank you page. This is an excellent way to enhance user experience and make a memorable first impression, so let's dive right in. First things first, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you've signed in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. From here, we're going to navigate towards the audience section. This is where all the magic happens since the audience area manages your email lists and sign-up forms. Move your cursor over the audience tab and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From there, click on sign-up forms. Now that you're in the sign-up forms section, you'll see a few different options tailored for customizing your audience interactions. For today, we are going to select Form Builder, which is the tool we need to customize the experience our new subscribers will encounter. Form Builder is an incredibly versatile tool. It's like your main control panel for crafting the way your audience interacts with your messages. Once inside the Form Builder, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. You'll see a variety of form options on the right-hand side. What we're looking for today is the Sign Up Thank You page option. This page is a crucial part of the sign-up journey and gives you a chance to express gratitude to new subscribers in a way that resonates with them personally. Go ahead and click it. After selecting the Sign Up Thank You page, your next step is to opt for Redirect to an external URL. This option is particularly handy if you have a special landing page or perhaps a website designed to welcome your new subscribers with open arms. Click on it, and a field will appear prompting you to enter your custom URL. Type in the URL of your custom thank you page. Make sure it's the correct address. Otherwise, your subscribers might end up somewhere unexpected. The beauty of this step is that it allows you to use any style or message that aligns with your brand, creating an experience unique to your email community. With the URL entered, it's crucial to save your changes. Look for a Save button on the page, usually located at the top or bottom. Clicking it ensures